Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Meenal and I welcome you all to Vinyasa Ashtang Yoga. So today we are going to practice three breathing exercises if you have a mild COVID infection. By mild, I mean if your oxygen saturation is not below 90. So you are going to do these exercises with me. This will be a follow along video. So before starting these exercises, I am going to share my personal story. I was uh, I am a COVID recovered patient. I got infected in September 2020. So I was in ICU for 6 days, and after 15 to 20 days I got recovered. Mind you, I have a genetic condition. It is a autoimmune disorder, rheumatoid arthritis, you must know. हिंदी में जिसे आमवाद भी कहते हैं. जिन्हें ये डिसीज़ या डिसऑर्डर होता है उनका इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम ऑलरेडी बहुत कम होता है. Your own immunity works against you. This immunity disorder and COVID, these are very dangerous combinations. But the purpose of this story is you have to believe if I can recover, you can recover as well. So you have to forget all the fear and do these pranayam exercises with me. These pranayam or breathing techniques will be a mindful exercises. So two rules you have to remember. Whenever I tell you, you have to smile. And second rule is you have to remember these gestures. This is inhale, this is exhale, and this is stop. Alright, so we are going to start with first exercise. It is called triangle breathing. So this exercise is going to calm your anxiety down. Your stress is going to be reduced while you perform this pranayam. Alright, so in this you are going to inhale for 5 seconds. Hold your breath for 5 seconds inside your chest. And you are going to exhale for 5 seconds. Alright, while doing this, you are going to imagine an equilateral triangle like this. Inhale, hold, exhale. Alright, so let's start this exercise. First, give me a big smile. And we are starting this exercise. Inhale for 5 seconds. Hold, exhale. You can perform this exercise while sitting down, or you can lie on your belly. Do not lie on your back. Lie down on your belly, or you can do these exercises sitting in a chair as well. Alright, so start. First, breathe in. Hold your breath. Exhale. Imagine a triangle. 2, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 3, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 4, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 5, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 6, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 7, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 8, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 9, inhale. Hold. Exhale. 10, inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now close your eyes for 30 seconds. Take a break for 30 seconds. And you are going to imagine you are creating a positive vibrations around you. You are going to imagine that your suffering is going away. Your disease is going away. Keep your eyes closed and keep smiling. Just inhale and exhale for 15 more seconds. Bring your palms together, rub them gently. Place it on your eyes. Gently open your eyes with a big smile And we are going to start with our second exercise. This is rapid exhalation and deep inhalation. Remember, you have to wear a mask if you are surrounded by people, or if you are quarantined, you can do these exercises without mask as well. So but I will recommend to wear a mask. So you are going to exhale through your mouth using your lungs for 5 times like this. Then you are going to roll your tongue like this, and you are going to exhale through your throat like this. Then you are going to deeply inhale. You are going to hold your breath for 10 seconds or as long as you can, and you are going to exhale. We are going to do this exercises 3 cycles. Start. Do this with me. Inhale, exhale, start. Roll your tongue. Close your mouth. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Second round. Roll your tongue. Inhale deeply. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now third round. Roll your tongue. Deeply inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Now you are going to lie down on your belly. If you are lying already, that is perfectly fine. And you are going to just normally inhale and exhale for 10 times. Alright, so start. Deep inhale. Exhale. 2 inhale. Exhale. 3 inhale. Exhale. 4 inhale. Exhale. 5 inhale. Exhale. 7 inhale. Exhale. It was 6. 7 inhale again. Exhale. 8 inhale. Exhale. 9 inhale. Exhale. 10 inhale. Exhale. Now keep lying down position intact and just breathe normally. Take a break for 30 seconds. Just breathe in and breathe out. Keep your eyes closed, and you are going to imagine that this disease is going away. You are not scared at all. You are a strong person and you are going to recover from it. Feel your aura with positivity, happiness. Keep smiling. Remember, your smile is very beautiful. You have to smile. Bring your palms together. Sorry, if you are lying down, just inhale. Do a light cobra or bhujangasana, we call it in Hindi. And if you are sitting, just rub your palms together and sit back into a sukhasana, or you can keep lying down. We are going to start with our third breathing exercise. It is called Rechaka Pranayam. In this, you are going to inhale for 5 seconds, exhale for 10 seconds. You are going to count the 10 seconds in your head. Remember, counting is very important. This counting is going to reduce the anxiety you have. Alright, so let's start. Inhale for 5 seconds. Exhale for 10 seconds. Alright, second, inhale. Exhale. Inhale 3. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Five. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 6. Inhale. Exhale. 7. Inhale. Exhale. 8. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 10. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Close your eyes. Gently smile. And we are going to do couple of minutes meditation. Keep your eyes closed. I am going to be guiding you through this meditation. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Just breathe normally. Now you are going to imagine a Divya Jyot burning at the crown of your head. Keep your eyes closed. This Jyot or this flame of fire represents energy you have, a life you have inside you. Now you are going to bring this flame to the center of your eyes here. Keep imagining this flame is taking away your disease. Keep imagining, keep smiling. Bring this flame to your nose, to your mouth, to your heart. Feel your heartbeat. Concentrate on your breath. You are going to fill your aura with happiness, energy, positivity, smiles, love. Now you are going to imagine that this Divya Jyoti is taking away all your stress, your anxiety, your fear. Just keep imagining. Keep this flame alive at your heart. Stay calm for 30 more seconds. I'm going to stop talking. You're going to concentrate on your breath. Bring your palms together, rub them gently, place it on your eyes, gently open your eyes Give me a big smile. Just remember, you are going to recover from this disease. You can play this video, you can do this pranayam 3 times a day or however long you can. Please share this video with others so that I can help you and you can help others to recover from this disease. Alright, so I'm signing off. Keep smiling. Bye bye guys. See you soon. Bye.